Imagine this. You meet someone new, a colleague, a neighbor, maybe someone at the airport. They smile at you. They say, "Hi, what's your name?" And your heart stops. You know the answer. You have known your name your whole life. But the English words, they don't come. I remember meeting a man at a train station. He smiled at me. I smiled back. He wanted to introduce himself. He opened his mouth, then he became very quiet. Not because he didn't know his name, not because he wasn't smart. He was simply afraid of making a mistake. A few minutes later, we spoke together. Slowly, one sentence at a time. By the end of our conversation, he introduced himself with a smile. That small moment reminded me of something important. Confidence doesn't come first, practice comes first, and confidence follows. Today, we are going to take that first step together slowly. Hello, and welcome back to Soft English. If this your first time here, welcome. I'm truly glad you found this place. On this channel, we speak slowly. We use simple words and we learn English together without pressure, without rushing. Today is video 2, and today we are learning something every English learner needs: how to introduce yourself in English. Just 6 simple sentences. That's all. But these 6 sentences can help you start conversations, make new friends, and open new doors. So let's begin. Let us start with the first sentence. My name is. Say it with me. My name is. Wonderful. Now say your own name. My name is. Take your time. There is no need to hurry. Now, the second sentence. I am from. I am from Bangladesh. I am from India. I am from Nigeria. I am from Brazil. The country changes. The sentence does not. I am from. Now it's your turn. Say your country. Beautiful. Now the third sentence. I am dash years old. I am 25 years old. I am 30 years old. I am 42 years old. Just say your own age. Slowly, clearly, excellent. Now, let us talk about what you do. Fourth sentence. I work as a, or I am a student. I work as a teacher. I work as a driver. I work as a nurse. I work as an engineer. Or simply, I am a student. There is no job that is too small. Every job has value. Now tell me, I work as a good. Now something more personal. This is my favorite sentence. I like, or I love. I like reading. I love music. I like walking in the morning. I love cooking for my family. These words tell people something special. Not just your name, not just your job, but what makes you you. So tell me, what do you like? Say it out loud. Beautiful. Now, our final sentence. It is nice to meet you. It is nice to meet you. This sentence is warm. It tells another person, I'm happy we met. And people always feel good when they hear it. Now, let us put everything together. Listen first. My name is Sarah. I am from Canada. I am 30 years old. I work as a teacher. I like reading books and drinking tea. It is nice to meet you. Now listen to another example. My name is Charlie. I am from India. I am 28 years old. I work as a chef. I love cooking and playing football. It is nice to meet you. Now it's your turn. Replace my words with your words. Start with my name is. Did you do it? Did you say it out loud? If you did, I want you to remember something. That was real English. That was you speaking English. Maybe it wasn't perfect. Maybe some words felt difficult, but it was real, and real is always enough. Before you go, I have one small homework task. Write your introduction in the comments below. Use these 6 simple sentences. My name is, I am from, I am years old, I work as, I like, it is nice to meet you. I read every comment and I'll reply to as many of you as I can because this is more than a YouTube channel. It is a classroom without walls, and you belong here. Next week, We will talk about your daily routine in English: morning, afternoon, and evening, all in slow, simple English. If you are not subscribed yet, I'd love for you to join us. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for trying. Learning a language is not easy, but every sentence you speak is one step forward. I will see you in the next lesson. Take care of yourself and go slowly, always.